Hello sports fans. This is getting close here. We're trying to build us a bow so we can try to get close to something and kill it with it. So I have backed this bow with rawhide. I have an air pocket on this limb, and before I do anything else with this bow, I need to solve that problem. So you can hear the air pocket. See, this sounds just like me pecking on wood. You get here. You hear that difference? Definitely an air pocket right there. So we got to get some glue in there. It's going to be a very thin slit. I don't even know if you can see that. Very thin. But I'm gonna. It's basically up all the way to the other side of the bow. This knot is the culprit. So we're going to slide some wood glue in there, and I'm going to try to work it all the way across until it squeezes out this side. So I got me a shaving from building my bow, and I'm going to try to feather it down to a very thin slit. Hopefully I can slide my my glue up in there with it, you know? Pretty thin. There, that's pretty good. Right there. Let's put a bunch of glue right in it. See what we can do. Come on, baby. Huh. That seemed to work okay. I'm going to put some more in that crack and try to do it several more times. I'm thinking that's working pretty good. See if we can squeeze it across. Ah, it came out the other side. It's kind of what I wanted. I'm going to do it a few more times here. I'm pretty happy with that. Especially if I can get it clamped really good. So I'm hoping I can spread it all up in there. Yeah. Yeah, see, it's squishing out the far side, so I feel comfortable that I've probably got glue in a lot of the crack. See, it keeps doing that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to really tie it tight with the t-shirt here. It's going to be key that we get it tight. Complete and full adherence. I think it's squishing out the side. Is always something you want to see. I think what I can probably do is get my wood clamp it right in the middle of this where I need it clamped. And I'm going to let this sit for 48 hours. We'll take it off and make sure we did our job correctly. I think that should do it. Here we are, as promised, 2 days later. removing the t-shirt wrap and the clamp from my rawhide glue up job. My wife's in the room talking, and she's checking out a bow I just finished. She's waving it kind of close to me. I think we got it fixed. Doesn't sound like any place in there has any air pockets. So now we can start tillering this bow.